What's going on, everyone? The self-help topic is easy weight loss tips. I'm going to keep it quick and simple so you can get on your way. Now, the first one is just staying hydrated with your water. You need water for your body to properly function and all your systems to work properly. Second is upping your protein intake. One main problem I always see with people when they tell me what they're eating is the protein is way below what they need, and they're more up on their carbs and fats. Now, third is just exercising. And I'm not talking about just walking on the treadmill. I'm talking about resistance or weight training. Add it into your routines as you work out. Fourth, just being aware of what you're eating and having a goal. Now, with your weight loss, you're usually going to be around a 500 calorie deficit in your calories. You see one of my other videos, I give you the link to where you can get a rough estimate of how many calories you should be consuming for your weight loss goals. Now, five is just staying confident in what you're doing. Your weight was not put on overnight, so flip with that saying, and just know weight loss will take time. And with the body you probably want, you will need to put the work in. But just keep confident in your goals, and you will achieve them. Now, remember to comment your questions below. Your question can help someone else out. And remember, the littlest difference can make the biggest impact.